see what they look like. And my new logo. Alright, so this is the centerpiece rolled out. You see it's got my new logo on it. I'm gonna roll this last piece out and then continue to kind of fit the room so that I can make the adjustments that I need. Alright, so I had to do some slight modifications due to the unevenness of the room, but it is taped down. I'm gonna spray it and mop it before practice so that you guys can see how easy that is. I like to put my cleaner in a pest control sprayer. Spray the mat like that. Very easy. I just work my way down the room. Now these are right out the box, ready to go, but just because I had to do some drilling and some cutting, there's a little bit of dust, so I could use them just right out the box, but I choose to clean them after I take them just to make sure everything is good to go, no germs or anything like that. One of my wet mop heads. Really easy. When I'm cleaning, I like to make sure that I'm pulling the mop backwards so that I'm hiding any footprints. Really easy, clean.
Guys, it's ready. Oh, yes.
I'm not working on this.
Whoa! Oh my gosh, that was so cool.
Okay, kick your shoes off. Obviously, there's stuff in the back. Just be careful when you go back there. Put your stuff in a cubby.
Jeez, Louise.